Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel J Design Solution. Today we learn about C-clamp different parts. First of all, we make a screw base parts like a bottom of screw, and second one is collar. So first of all, we select a new parts name screw base, select OK, template part solids, OK. Select all, front view, revolve, sketch view, geometry center line, mm total thickness and internal diameter 10 mm. Now this diameter 20, this diameter 34, this length will be 5 mm. Create a OK. Now a hole, select axis, face, tapping M12 by 1, through hole, saves through all, OK, and chamfer at the bottom 2 mm. This is ready. Save these parts. Please subscribe my YouTube channel J Design Solution. Now we make a collar part. New parts, remove, use default template, and collar, part name collar. Select parts template part solid, OK. Plan on, select a front plane, revolve, sketch view, geometry center line. Don't use this center line. (22) 11, OK. Hole, axis, face, diameter 11 through all. Create OK. Now create a chamfer 0.5 mm chamfer. Also you can apply on outer edge. Create a OK. This part is ready. Control S, collar part, but send a pin hole. Create a using a right plane, extrude, sketch view, reference, close, 11 by 2, diameter 2 mm, create OK. Remove material, through all, option, second direction, through all, OK. This is part ready, collar part. Thank you for subscribe my YouTube channel and thank you for watching.